guys, it's Kiki here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting to Crossing Rain. They are the Hawaiian boy group, up and coming in Hawaii. Oh my god. So I'm pretty sure this is them, but they left a comment on my reaction video to their song Too Little Too Late. When I got the notification, I was just like, no way. No way. But then I believe it's them. Shotaro and Jordan commented. Oh my god. But yes. Besides that, I was really happy that they did, even like just clicked on my video and I guess watched my reaction. But other than that, yeah, I'm here with the new song Crossing Rain. No, not the new song called Crossing Rain. The group Crossing Rain, their song called Black Hole Heart. And yeah, I am excited for this one. I'm not too sure what it's going to sound like compared to Too Little Too Late, but I'm excited. Let's go! Ooh. Wait, hold on. Did it start like that? Oh. Okay, I was like, wait a second. It's like the blue and the green matches, you know, the couple here because of what they're wearing. I like the art. Watching a presentation and yin and yang. Black Hole Heart. Ooh, that's cute. I like the text font for that.
Babe, I know you're tired all the time. School and work, a couple hobbies on the side.
Oh my gosh. It's been like quite a few hours already since like today I reacted to quite a few video, but oh my god, it just keeps amazing me. Oh my god. Monarch.
Babe, I know you're tired all the time.
Oh my god.
School and work,
Oh, the smoky eyeshadow.
a couple
The
hobbies on the
lipstick.
side. So
And he's singing? Is he singing right now? Because I'm like used to Monarch rapping, you know?
school and work, a couple
The
hobbies
shirt,
on
the
the
crowd,
side.
showing his
So when
abs.
we talk, I always try to keep it light. My black hole heart could never
Devin is
give
just
you
like.
any life back. Baby, how can I be different? I'm just like that, yeah. Spend up all your precious time, you cannot buy that, yeah.
Oh wait, hold on, hold on. I didn't. Hold on, I was not ready for that beat drop.
He's on the side. So when we talk, I always try to keep it light. My black hole heart could never give you any life back.
Oh, my black hole heart can never give you any life back.
Baby, how can I be different? I'm just like that, yeah. Spend up all your precious
Ah, well that's cool.
any life back. Baby, how can I be different? I'm just like that, yeah. Spend up all your
Ah,
cannot buy that, yeah.
hey,
Dreaming of this feeling, we should ride that, yeah.
okay.
You're scared of the dark till you let down all your guards. And my whole heart is with me, so hard. Give me one more chance.
Jordan. What the? Wait, and the change of the genre? Oh my god. What the?
Whole heart is with me,
I'm sorry.
till you let down all your guards. And my whole heart
Oh, the reggae?
so hard. Give me one more chance. Give me
Oh, Jordan.
baby, you're so.
Oh my god.
Let down all your guards. And my whole heart is with me, so hard. Give me one more chance.
Dude, Jordan looks good. Jordan.
Baby, you're so
Are those real tattoos?
perfect. You're so worth it. I'll be good for you.
smoky eye on them. Oh, that looks good. Giving you that grunge feel. Oh my god, the body roll. Shotaro. Oh, they hit that. Hey. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh, that edit. Sorry. Oh, I cannot. Shh. I need to calm down. Hey. Hey. Woo. I love the vibe. Hey, it's like a little crumpy there. Okay, little crump. Oh, I thought that was so cute. Ooh, sing. I like that. I like this. We see Devin here, and then we have the silhouettes of the other members in the back. That's cool. I probably would have like never thought of that. That's cool. Hey. 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 I love how they just have the drummers, the pianist, and the playing fields, you know? We're all just having fun. I love that. Wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. Black hole heart. Hey, FaceTime tonight? It's been a while. I can't do this anymore. Black hole heart. Despite the lyrics, well, I mean, because there's no CC, or like the CC here, like it's auto-generated, so it's not really right. Huh. Yeah, like despite the lyrics in a way, like this song, it's a vibe. It's giving me energy. I don't know. There's so many things. I'm like trying to still process. I don't know. So the song, the Monarchs singing in here and not rapping so much. Like the song, there's only a little section of rappings, but not a whole lot compared to I think other songs that I've seen from them. There was something else that I wanted to say. I don't remember. Oh, I feel like I didn't really get to see Asher as much. I don't know how. I think his part was quite short. But I'm pretty sure. Oh, again, I'm pretty sure those are real tattoos from Jordan, because I really don't remember seeing. I think at least that arm tattoo there. But again, there's so many. The switches, because it started out again just with the guitar, and then it went into like a reggae type of beat and vibe, and I'm just like, ooh, wait, hold on. Like, I was not expecting this at all. I just want to see it all over again. Uh, Jordan looks. I'm sorry. Jordan looks good. I'm sorry. I don't know. It's just. Yeah, because like it shows the couples having fun or like being, I guess, together still, you know. And at the end, they're no longer together, and she's just walking by herself on the field. The bottle. Oh, I like all the lightings in here. They're just having fun with it. Ah, Monarch! Okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop it right here. I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, I just didn't really see Shotaro, especially Asher, all that much. I know they got little parts here and there, but I think maybe this song, it's catering more to like the singing, I believe. So I think that's why Devin, Jordan, and Monarch got a lot more parts. So I mean, still a very good song. Even though like Asher and Shotaro didn't really get that much time screen in a way, but I still like it. I still enjoyed it, and you know, it's nice to see, you know, sometimes other members shine too. So because like maybe from the past other song that they did or video, maybe some of them didn't get to shine, and maybe now is their chance. So understandable. I get it. I get it. I love it still. You know. But yeah, this is Crossing Rain, guys. Definitely go check them out. Black Hole Heart is their newest song. I definitely like the vibe because it's different from Too Little Too Late. So yeah, I like the vibe for this. It's definitely because like summer or spring is here, and like summer's also coming up soon. So this song would be perfect for the summer vibe. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.